This is a video tutorial about Wildcat advising. This tutorial will go over how to open up appointment availability using the system. The first step to open up availability is to select the Appointments link from the navigation area on the left side of the screen. Then, select the Staff Availability tab. Next, click on Add New Availability. The first step is to label the availability you are about to open. You can do this by selecting the Availability Label text box and typing in your title. Once you have chosen your title, you should make sure the appropriate staff member is selected. If you are opening up availability for yourself, this drop-down menu should display your name. The system allows you to copy a previous schedule that you may have used. For example, if you use the same schedule each week, you can use this option to copy over your saved schedule. To do this, click on the Schedule to Copy text box and enter the title of the schedule you want to use again. You can then select the schedule you want to use again so the rest of the items on the page populate. The only thing you would need to change would be the start and end date of the availability. However, in this example, we will be creating the availability as you would the first time. The next item to select is the location. Select the correct location from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the dates that you want to open up the availability for. In this example, we will open up availability for the week of May 18th through May 22nd. We recommend opening up 1 week at a time and then using the Copy Your Schedule feature to open up multiple weeks of availability. Click on the Start Date calendar to choose the start date of the availability. Choose the correct day from the calendar provided. Now, click on the End Date calendar to choose the end date of the availability. Choose the correct day from the calendar provided. Next, select the length you want your appointments to be. In this example, we will choose 30-minute appointments. There are two ways that you can have the appointment slots open up. The first way is to have all of the appointments start at a specific time in relation to the hour. For instance, in this example, we will have the appointment times be half an hour in length, and we want them to start on the hour and on the half hour. Therefore, we will select the hour and half hour options from the drop-down menu. Now you can see that we selected our appointment times to start on the hour and on the half hour. Next, we must select the appointment type. This is a very important step because it specifies what type of students can schedule appointments with you. If you do not select a type, any student in the university can set up a meeting with you, so it's important to not miss this step. To select the appointment type, open up the drop-down menu. From the menu, choose the correct appointment type. In this example, we are opening up availability for students who are advised within the UACC. However, your department will be different. You should confirm with your Wildcat Advising department contact what type of appointment you should be selecting. As the system changes, the options you see on the drop-down menu may be different from what's currently being displayed. If it is required, choose the appropriate subcategory from the list. Again, make sure to confirm with your specific Wildcat Advising department contact what type of appointment you should be selecting, as it may not be the same as the example currently being shown. Once selected, you can see the type of appointment you chose displayed on the page. You can choose more than one type of appointment from the menu as well if you are opening up your schedule for more than one type at a time. Next, you want to open up your schedule for availability. To do this, select the times that you are available for scheduled appointments on each day. To select a certain period of time, hold down the Control key and drag your mouse. This will highlight multiple options. In this example, the availability is open from 8:30 a.m. until noon. This means that students will be able to schedule a half-hour appointment on every hour and on every half hour during this time frame. For instance, 8:30 a.m., 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., etc. If you want to leave spaces in your schedule, you can do that. Again, press the Control key and then drag your mouse to highlight a specific time period. In this example, the availability is now also up from 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. This means that students will be able to schedule a half-hour appointment on every hour and on every half hour during this time frame. Once you have set your availability for Monday, complete the same steps to open up your appointment availability for the rest of the week. Keep in mind that the schedule starts on a Monday and ends with a Sunday. If you are opening up your availability for more than 1 week, the availability you set here will be the same each week. After you have set your availability for each specific day, you can then review the availability that you opened up for the week. As an alternative, if you do not want your appointments to start at specific times like the last example, you can instead simply highlight the times that you want your appointments to start. In this example, appointments will be open at 8:30 a.m., 10 a.m., and 1 p.m. If you want to screen your availability to have it only be viewable by students in certain majors, you can do that by selecting the specific option from the drop-down menu. Or, if you only want to have your availability viewable to specific class levels, you can select that here as well. Once you have set your availability and are ready to publish it, click Submit at the bottom of the page. You can then view your appointment availability on the Staff Availability tab. You can edit your availability at any time by clicking on the paper and pencil icon.